Welcome, and thank you for being here. If you enjoy this meditation, please like, subscribe, and share your feedback in the comments. Your support helps us grow and bring more peaceful content to your mornings. If you'd like to support our channel further, you can donate through the link in the description below. Any contribution is greatly appreciated. Let's begin our 5-minute morning gratitude meditation. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow yourself to arrive in this moment, letting go of anything from yesterday and anything that lies ahead. Feel your body begin to relax. With each breath, notice the rise and fall of your chest. Let any tension in your body melt away, feeling the weight of your body supported by the surface beneath you. Let your breath become your anchor. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, clean air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension in your body or mind. Now, let's turn our attention to gratitude. Think of one thing you're truly grateful for today. It doesn't need to be big. Maybe it's the warmth of the sunlight, a cup of tea, or the fact that you woke up to a new day. Let this feeling of gratitude fill your heart. Visualize that gratitude as a soft, glowing light in the center of your chest. With each inhale, imagine that light growing brighter, expanding with each breath. Feel the warmth of this light as it spreads throughout your body, filling you with a deep sense of peace and contentment. Let this light soften any areas of tightness or discomfort in your body, and feel how it connects you to the present moment. Now, let's expand that gratitude. Think of the people in your life, family, friends, loved ones, and even acquaintances. Picture their faces and silently thank them for the love and support they bring to your life. As you breathe, let your heart open wider, feeling gratitude for the simple things, perhaps the beauty of nature around you, the support of your community, or the opportunity to be alive. Think of how interconnected you are to everything around you. As you take in another deep breath, expand your gratitude to the earth beneath you. Feel its support, its grounding presence. Think of the sky above, the trees, the flowers, the birds. All of these things are gifts, sustaining life and creating harmony. Take a moment now to think about something you're looking forward to today. It could be something small, like enjoying a warm meal or stepping outside for fresh air. Or it could be something bigger, something that brings you joy or excitement. Let yourself feel grateful for whatever is to come, knowing that today holds infinite possibilities. Now, Let's take a deep, nourishing breath together. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly, releasing any last bits of tension. As we near the end of this meditation, carry this sense of gratitude with you throughout your day. Remember, gratitude is always available to you. It's a tool you can return to in every moment, especially when you need to feel more grounded and connected. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Open your eyes, carrying that warm, glowing light of gratitude with you into the rest of your day. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. Thank you for sharing this moment with us. If you enjoyed this practice, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know how this meditation resonated with you. If you'd like to support our channel, you can donate through the link in the description below. Your support helps us create more peaceful content. Have a beautiful, peaceful day ahead.